dream magic girl.
Hey there, dreamers. Welcome to my channel where life is a colorful adventure. I am your host, the Dream Exit Girl, and I am here to take you on a journey through my everyday life, filled with laughter, love, and a whole lot of tail-wagging fun. Join me as I explore beautiful parks with my 3 furry companions, each with their own quirky personalities. Join us as we enjoy winter and all of the special holidays together before we can once again dive into the joys of spontaneous weekend getaways in our trusty camper rig. From heartwarming moments to hilarious misadventures, this channel is all about embracing the magic in the mundane and finding joy in every life experience. So grab your favorite snack, hit that subscribe button, and let's embark on this dreamy adventure together. Let's go. Good Monday morning. It's almost New Year's. So we'll have to talk resolutions later. I gotta get ready for work. I'll catch up with you. I've had the dogs out, showered. John's not feeling good still. He's been sick the last couple of days. But I gotta go to work. Smell.
Kindness is free. Sprinkle it everywhere.
Good Tuesday morning. Look at that behind me. The skies are clearer and bluish. The rain has stopped. I'm so happy. So very happy. And the dogs are enjoying themselves outside. And meet Brutus up to his usual antics. I gotta keep him away from down here because people have a dog. And no fence like us. So head your ass back home. Okay, mister? Oh, he's such a cutie though. Come on, make a poo, Brutus. I want to go back home now. Good boy. I know, you got that poo-poo look. And Indy is peeing in the leaves over there. I think we're gonna, look at that, mission almost accomplished. There he goes, that's the crouch. Yay. Yeah, well, this is one thing that dogs are all about. Getting up early in the morning. Okay, I'm in my car at work. I have a little bit more time to think about what I'm talking about and that, and do a little bit more of a serious talk because I'm not watching the dogs out in the backyard, making sure they don't run off. So, last day of 2024. And what's in store for me in 2025? I have a funny feeling it's going to be like a crazy year. I don't know. I'm worried about how the economy's going to go. John's been off work with a sore hand. I'm working my butt off every day, almost. I don't know. Oh, living in a camper van thing starting to look more and more and more appealing rather than owning something. I don't know. I do know that I'm going to try really, really hard to get more into my meditation this year. Yeah. I'm trying to stay calm through everything. So, I think I'm going to do a whole hell of a lot of praying this year, too. Yeah. It's going to be interesting to see how things unfold. Neighbors. I don't know if you can see it. dogs are freaking out. It's early in the morning on January 1st, 2025. Woo! Happy New Year. I made it to midnight last night, but I didn't video anything. I'm tired. And today I have a headache. I don't feel well, so I don't know. And the weather doesn't look the best. Nothing's cooperating. Phew. Here's the crap I'm dealing with today. New Year's Day, absolutely yuck out. Snowing, then raining. I napped a little bit. I think it's going to be pretty much a down day. Pretty much. I'm going to be doing a whole hell of a lot. Listen to that wind. I don't even know if you can hear me. But just in case this is all wasted footage, I know. And again, gotta check out everything way at the end where the chickens are. And there's a guy here and he's gonna bark now. Come here. Come here. Come here. Let's go. Go.
Okay? Okay. Anything happens to them, they get a threat. They get a fucking phone call. Someone follows them down the street.
Good morning on this lovely January 2nd, 2025. I'm in for my short day. It's an 8-hour day today. So I doubt I'll be going for a walk though, because by the time I get home at 5, it's pretty much dark. So I don't know. I think I'm thinking of taking a little break from making videos just because I'm working so much and it gets dark so early. It's hard to get out and get content with the dogs. Yeah. Anyway, I'm not sure. We'll see what happens. Maybe a little break until I go to Quebec City. Heading into the variety store. I finished work. It's 5 o'clock and look how dark it is. I can't wait for summer to come back so I can take dog walks on my short day when I get home. Too dark though right now. Poop. Good Friday morning, folks. Had the dogs out to go to the bathroom already. Doesn't look too bad out and it's not windy, so I just may have a coffee, which I totally love, in the morning. And then I'm going to take the dogs out. I'm going to try and fly that drone. I have a chance today. So let's see if we can get into that. Get it to do a couple of the other pre-made things. And I might even try to fly it with the joystick. See if I can do that. Some practice out in the field out back or something. Okay, I have 130 empty beer cans that I've saved and a whole bunch of glass bottles, so I'm going to take that back. Brutus is not happy about it. He's actually pretty upset that he knows I'm going to leave him. Yeah. Have to do that. And then I'm going to come back and I'm going to try, but it's getting like so windy and crappy out. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. Oh, and I serviced the hot tub too. So I'm getting some stuff done around here. $16 I got for taking the empties back. So that was pretty good. Gonna head home now and try and fly this thing and do a few things with it. All right, I'm about to go out and try and fly that drone, and I'm also testing my mic right now. And Brutus is really a pain in the butt. He's insisting he comes out, and I just don't know how I'm going to do this. Because you always take off. If you would stay, I could pay attention. Like, I'm going to come back and get you. I want to try this first. Right? I deserve a few minutes. Okay. It's following us. And it's supposed to be far and high. So let's see what happens. How high is high? In settings, maybe. You're doing pretty good. Alright, so then we're gonna go. Alright, so that's just follow me mode. And now if I stop, it's gonna stay there. Alright. Now I want to go back. Here it goes. But I want you up higher. I'm not sure why you don't go higher. Okay, it's doing a circle around me and Broody in the field. And then it's going to come back to its spot and stop. There. Stay where you are. Keep going. Oh, how cool is this? Okay, so now I can walk in the field. I gotta bring the girls back though, because they're waiting at the door. It's not like they really wanna be out here. The thing's doing pretty good. It's a little bit wobbly, I think, because the ground is like all the same. I'm just not sure what it's doing. But this is pretty cool. I could take a walk and the thing like does that. It's flat and close. So what if I take it and I want to make it something else? Come on, come with me. Okay, you're doing better. Okay, do your thing and stay far and high. Let's see what you do. That's cool. So you're following me through the field. We're going into the farm field. So this is direction track when it has to go in front of me. It's having a little trouble waving around though. That's for sure. I guess the wind and stuff. I don't know how to make it go higher yet though. I think I have to go into manual mode and actually fly it, which could be an issue. Okay, so aircraft's gonna return. I don't think I'll lose it. It can't go that far. Hi! It is. And now it should come back down.
Hawkeye. Hey?
Uh-huh.
Hawkeye.
Alright, why
Where's
are
your
you...
remote?
It's inside. I'm doing it with this thing right now. I just don't want it to take off too far. You?
Bring it down.
Okay. And maybe it'll come back down. Come on down. Down! How about... So I actually had to put it in manual mode to make it come down.
Coming down.
Yeah.
Let me catch it.
Hand flat.
Landing.
Down.
It'll land.
Landing.
It's landing. Put your hand under it.
Landing.
Why are you not landing? Come here. Come here.
Come down.
Landing.
There we go. All right. Okay, so that's manual controls. I got it on now. Well, I can manually control it on here too. Take off.
Joystick.
I know. I just wanted to try it like this first.
All right.
It's
Okay, I'm gonna throw it. Right?
No, I can't do that.
You can't throw it in the air and turn it on?
No, you have to have it looking at you and look what it can do. So I'm going to take it off manual control. Now it's going to go in front of me and always stay that distance away from me. I don't think it likes it much over the farm field. Come on. Come on. Come on, my pet. Let's go. There you go. So yeah. Following me back into the house now. How fun is that? Okay, so I had a little fun playing with it. It does some cool stuff. Alright, the choir is about to start.
Think they know where we are?
Huh?
You think they know where we are?
Oh yeah. As soon as the road starts getting a little bit bumpy. Ouch. Okay, Indy, that really hurts my ear,
Indy.
eh? Gotta be a good girl.
Oh, look at it.
It is so frosty today. Holy moly. Come on, Venus, let's go. Okay. Look at how beautiful it is, but looks are deceiving. It is cold today. My fingers are freezing off. If I wear mittens, the buttons don't work. my element right now. I absolutely love taking walks down here. And like, look on the other side, it's all like calm still, like I showed you earlier in the year. And we got little ducks and geese. It's just an all around beautiful day to get out for a minute. Okay, there's a huge gnarly tree behind me. It's actually really cool. And if you see my phone flipping all over, it's because it's Venus pulling me again. When we get back to the car. I'm cold. My cheeks are cold. Yeah, my cheeks are cold. It's windy, that's for sure. Oh. But it was nice to get out, you know. Stretch my legs.
Come on, I'm gonna come home to that.
Yeah. We're going back. Frozen fingers, frozen cheeks. Dogs are happy to be in the car. We're going home. Get warm. Maybe gotta cook some stew with stewing beef.
I wonder why he's just sitting in his truck here all this time, eh?
But people camp here, eh? You know that?
Yeah.
This is one of the spots on Overlander. It was one of the spots I wanted to come to first.
Live in their cars, eh?
Yeah, well, it was one of the first places I wanted to come because it would have been close, right? And free.
No foraging. What does that mean?
Well, you're not allowed to, like, I guess, look for
Hunt?
and berries and foraging. Yeah, is more like berries and.
He's not allowed to eat berries. They're for the bears.
I guess, and wildlife, deer and. Okay, if you want up, you can come here. Think of what she loves, mommy. She loves mommy.
3 trucks here, eh? 2. No jumping. Wonder if you're allowed in there.
I've seen people park there. I don't know if you're allowed, but I don't see why not if you're quiet and clean, right?
Yeah.
I don't think anyone patrols it. Alright, 4 onions chopped. Moving on to potatoes and carrots. And then there's beef and broth. I'm gonna make a nice stew. Carrots are chopped. Potatoes soaking. beef and onions cooking. Oh yeah, please. Little corn added. And that is a stew.
I'm gonna put a bit of water in here, right?
No, I kind of like mine thick.
Just a bit.
Starting to snow again. I gotta get home for dinner now. Just saw my mom. Made plans. We're gonna go get our nails done on Monday. So this week's been the longer work week again. Next week I got a bit more time. So anyway, I'm gonna go home and see how that stew's doing and have some dinner. Good Saturday morning. I'm just about to head out with the dogs, and look, got a lot of snow yesterday. Heading to work. It's actually a nice morning. Sun shining. Kind of a Saturday I would have liked to have stayed home. It's too bad. Good Sunday morning. I'm at work. I'm just going through my video for this week because I only have today's left to go. Yesterday flew by, so you only got a good morning, and today you're probably not going to get much. So, anyway, back to looking at the editing while I'm waiting for my client to finish getting ready this morning and decide what she wants to do with her day. That time has come again. Thank you all so much for joining me on this journey here at Dream Exit Girl. Your support means the world to me, and I genuinely appreciate each and every one of you who takes the time to watch and engage with my content. Thank you. I really do appreciate it. The past week has been quite busy for me though. But I was thrilled to at least get out and have some time with my drone in the skies, and I managed to get in a nice walk with my dogs at Wilmot Creek Park. It was cold, but we did it. Looking ahead, I'm excited for a slower work week, which means more opportunities to create and share with you all. Yeah, I'll be keeping my fingers crossed for good weather though, so I can capture some great moments, maybe even fly the drone during our walks. That would be super. Right, because it can't be too windy or raining. So this time of year, it's hit or miss whether I want to fly it or not. Anyway, stay tuned for more adventures, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, keep dreaming and exploring. See you soon, and don't forget to be kind to each other.